Alright, well, since there's no show tonight, I wanted to show you guys this video. And it's called Angry Voters. So everybody's heard of like Angry Birds, and they got like Angry Bird Space and all these other different Angry Birds, whatever they are. I don't care. I think I played it a total of maybe 15 times. And I got sick of it because it was so repetitive, and it's the same boards over and over again. And I never really made it to the end, so I don't know what it's about. So I heard about this game called Angry Voters. I'm going to click on it right now. And before we go any further with it, they based it off the game Angry Birds. So, let's find out what it's about. So first off, you got to read this crap and whatever. And now it's level 1. Oh, great. It's got the pigs and you say government on them. Oh, you got a cannon. Oh, you shoot tea boxes. Okay, so I guess you have to fire one or whatever. Let me see. So you move the mouse up and down, and you shoot them. And then you gotta wait for it to come back, I guess. Yeah, okay, I got it. Here we go. I kind of suck at it. Let me see if I can get it with this box here. I only have, how many more tea boxes do I have? I got 2 more. Here we go. Alright, well, there's level 1. Then you got to read some more rhetoric. Talking about the federal debt. It's $14 trillion in debt. Then you hit play. Level 2. I wonder how many levels there is on this thing. Here we go. You notice if they use like Mount Rushmore and alright, here we go. As their background. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I should elevate it a little higher. Oh, you mean to tell me I couldn't take out both of those pigs? That thing was wobbling. It should have dropped. Here we go. Here's another one. Oh, come on. Really? Here we go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Last tee box. Here we go. Yes! Got him. And you read more rhetoric. Level 3. Oh, the White House. More pigs. Here we go. And maybe you know what? Maybe if I shoot from the bottom, I can knock them all down. Here we go. Oh, that sucked. I didn't even do anything. Here we go. Here's another one. Well, I got 2 of them. Got 2 more left. And I have 3 more boxes left. Are you kidding me? You see that piggy blew up, right? Here we go. Yes! Level 4. Here we go. No. No level 4. You got to enter your email address to go to level 4. And this is where I stop the video. Because I get enough political ads here in Ohio to last me a lifetime. I went to my mailbox today and I think I got about 16 different things for Obama and Romney and all the local people that are being elected here in Cleveland. And I'm sure in the hell I ain't going to put my email into this to get more crap from this website. But if you want to play it, it's foramerica.org. That's it. Later, guys.